Okay, so tonight at the Transport Systems Catapult we're running a tech xChange with the long-standing BBC presenter Quentin Cooper, and he has a panel of several eminent scientists and professors from the United Kingdom, all of whom are steeped in UK invention.
What we're doing is trying to look at the future of transport, but not quite in the way you might expect, because people always think when they talk about future of transport, they'll go, oh, it's going to be personal jetpacks, it's going to be hover boots, it's going to be flying cars, it's going to be matter transportation. And this is actually thinking about the things beyond the vehicles themselves as well. So we're thinking about the Internet of Things and how that's going to affect it. 3D printing, which you might think might have no impact on this at all, but in fact it could change the nature of what needs to be delivered. So there's a whole bunch of other things going on here to make us think beyond the normal things, but it's about the future of transport.
And this is a Chinese-made jammer. If I switch this on, and by the way it's been made safe so I can't, would stop GPS working throughout the whole of central Milton Keynes. These things are going to be very disruptive to intelligent transport.
So the big advantage for me in terms of 3D printing is that we can make really complex objects much easier than we ever could before. And so we can start to think about reducing the weight of components. We did a project recently with Virgin Atlantic where we looked at the arm that holds the video monitor on the upper class seat. And by optimising the topology of that on 32 upper class seats would save £1 million of fuel over the life of that aircraft.
This is the vision of the Internet of Things. You have all these integrated systems. The idea that you have integrated transport systems is a fantastic idea. So that, you know, when I've booked on the internet my flight, a taxi is automatically booked from my favourite taxi firm and I don't have to do anything. It just arrives at the time I need it to arrive, on the day I need it to arrive to get me to Heathrow. Wonderful visions, but there are huge issues about privacy, trust, ethics and morality in mixing our personal data with the data of the systems-driven data. And just think of the world where the systems are really all talking to themselves and what that's going to feel like and how much control you might have over that. Thank you.
So tonight I had a fantastic example of some of the best premier inventors and innovators in the United Kingdom have shown us that there is a huge future with all of the different technological advances, and that transport systems can gain and improve through drawing all that technological innovation in. But also it came with a health warning, and the health warning was, of course, that there are humans involved and there are downsides to technology as well as the upside, and that actually, as thinking from the beginning now, make sure that we build in resilience, we build in alternative systems, we have multiple approaches to the use of technology, and we don't forget the human factor. But all of that actually is a great playground to move us forward.